Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if your Cricut has been acting a little weird lately, maybe it's not cutting clean or making strange noises, don't worry, you're not alone. In today's video, I'm gonna walk you through how to clean your Cricut step by step so it runs smoother and feels like new again. Let's jump right in. First, turn off your Cricut machine and open the lid. Then, remove the mat and any tools so everything is clear. Use compressed air to blow out any dust, tiny paper bits, or vinyl scraps from inside the machine. Focus on rollers, carriage area, and cutting zone. Take a soft cloth or gentle cleaning wipe and clean inside of the machine. Also, wipe the front tray, the base, and all the areas where debris usually collects. Gently wipe around the tool carriage and metal rollers. Make sure there's no sticky residue or dust so everything moves smoothly. Take out the blade housing and tap the blade tip into the ball of aluminum foil about 20 to 40 times. This helps remove buildup and improves cutting performance. Wipe the exterior of your Cricut with a damp cloth or cleaning wipe. Make it look nice and clean again, but avoid anything abrasive. Once everything is dry, put your blade and tools back in. Close the lid and your Cricut is all clean and ready to use. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit mannymaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.